Hi everybody, happy Monday. I'm going to try to do a quickie of the remains of bag 2 part 2. Let's try. Okay. First thing I'm pulling up is looks like these are glass beads. They're cold. They're pretty. They're kind of iridescent-y, and I don't know what they are. Ooh, that's a gold one. So is this one. This is a double strand, pretty colors. I'd say, it's gonna say $3, and it looks like 16 inches. Okay, and let's get this other big necklace out of the way here. This is interesting. I picked this up and looked at it. It's cool. It's got stars. It's just lucite. It's very mid-century modern to me. I think this is really cool. This could be maybe worth more money than I'm going to say, because of the fact that it's, look at that. Because of the fact that it's how it looks to me. I don't know. It's not bakelite or anything like that. It's lucite. Old plastic is what lucite is. Anyhow, I think that this is really, look at that, this is really cool. And I love stars on jewelry. I think it's fun. I don't know why, I've always have. It doesn't seem to have a clasp that I can see. And it's long. It's about 24, 26 inches long. And it's got fun colors, oranges and golds. I'm going to say $5 on that one. And that may be really low. Hey, how about this? Look at this bracelet. This is silver tone. It is stretch, but it's got some stretch to it. It's cute, and you could wear it for a while, and you could reach out. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. I don't know, my dog just went nuts. This is what happens when you make your videos in your house with people walking around doing things. I'm going to say $2 on that. That's really cool. I think it's really pretty. Hey, oh, you do need to know, don't you? 7. A 7. You don't want to stretch it too big or it will look funny. Okay. What are these? Let's see what these are. They're in a bag. Okay, I took them out of the bag and I looked at them. And these are little pave rhinestone flowers, and they're stud earrings. And when I looked at them, it said $9.25 on the post. So these are vermeil. These are sterling silver with gold overlay. And I don't know what gold, but it's $9.25. And they're not magnetic, so they are definitely. So these are sterling silver. Wow. Okay, I'm going to put them with their little baggie. And we are going to say, I'm going to say $5 on those. Those are silver. And here's a pair of new old stock. These are Bonworth. I don't know what store. One of the big department stores used to sell this brand. And these are never been worn. They're clips. They're enamel and gold. And there they are. The price tag. Somebody took it off. But they're brand new. And I'm going to say $3 on those. Those are cute, aren't they? They go with a lot of different colors. I like the color combination. Okay, what is this one? Oh, it has a tag on it. Let's see who it is. Hey, American Eagle Outfitters. They're really getting into jewelry these days. And this stone right here is very cold. I'm going to check it. It might be jade or jadeite. And so might these. This is really long. This is probably, it's a really nice chain. See the type of chain it is? I forget what you call that type of chain. Anyhow, it goes to stones, and it goes to loops, goes to the big stone, and then, oh, here's what, they're cold too. Gonna have to check that out and give you a price. That's really pretty. And it's probably about 30 inches long. And it's American Eagle Outfitters. Okay, get back to you. Look at this one. Wow, isn't that cute? Oh, it's an enhancer. You can put it on anything. But it looks cute on here. Magnetic enhancer. Another nice chain. Let's see, anybody? It has an extender with a, oh, it is. RMN. If any of you know who RMN is, that's Roman. Roman is a costume jewelry designer. They make nice jewelry. They're in the range of Coro and Napier and things like that. So, ooh, that's nice. And it's I'm guessing it's 24 inches long. $5. $5. These are deals. I'm giving you deals. Look at these earrings. These are pretty. These are glass. Artisan glass with gold. I don't know if that's painted or enameled. What do you think? Oh, those are nice. They look like Venetian glass. And they look like they have waves. The pattern. Here comes my dog. You can hear her walking through the house. And hear my froggy throat again. I'm having morning frogginess. And, wow, they're really cool. I'm going to say, I'm going to say $5 on those. Those are beautiful. They're purple, dark purple, and gold. Oh, this I have to, I took this out and I said, oh, I know what this is. Do you know what this is? Oh, you know what? I didn't look at it closely. I think these are amethyst. They are. They're cold. I'm going to check them. Oh, this is an ankle bracelet like the belly dancers wear. And you could wear it and walk around and clank. Because this is what I did before I put it out. I went, oops, fell off. And it is probably about a size 10. So that's it's seen some belly dance days, but, or hippie. Maybe it's from the 60s or 70s. I don't know. But guys, I think that's amethyst. I'm going to check that, get back to you. Just saw that. Here's another pair of Venetian glass earrings or something. They're definitely glass artisan earrings. Very pretty. They're encaged. I wonder what the stones are, or if that's glass. I'm going to check those too. You know what? I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to give you both of these for $5. Okay, what is this? Ring. What does it say? Oklahoma. Oklahoma. That's weird. I think this is a mood ring. I think I saw one of these one time. This is a size 8. Oh, it is changing colors. It was green when I picked it up, and I put it on my hand, and it turned blue. If you're from Oklahoma, and you wear a size 8, and you would like it to wear a mood ring. There's the state, the outline of the state. That's kind of cute. I don't know what that mark is in there, but anyhow, I'm going to say $5 on that one. That's very unusual. And speaking of unusual, what is this? We're at 6 minutes and 59 seconds. I had to hurry. This is an antique souvenir. It's copper. It's hand-painted horse. This may go to eBay if you don't buy it. Bingham Canyon, Utah. Ever been there? There you go. Here's a souvenir. Looks like it was a luggage tag or something, doesn't it? But it's copper. I'm going to say $5 on that, too. That's interesting. I'm going to do these rings before I run. Oh, do the sack necklace real quick. This is a very vintage silver leaves, and it has the, look at the end of this, how cool this is. And it's a hook. They remind me of Oriental lanterns or something. And at 16 inches, and It's in excellent condition, does not have any signature, but if I were to be a gambling person, which I am kind of, I would say this is Hong Kong, and very vintage. I'm gonna say $7 on that one, because that's a cool one. And I'm gonna do these real quick. Let me see if I can squeeze them in. These are really unique. These are costume, but they're really fun. These two are these two are identical. I didn't realize that. But there might be different sizes. They look like a crown, and they're turquoise, and they're silver tone. And let's see what size it is. Okay. Size 7. Look at that, isn't that cute? $5. Let's do the other one. See what size it is. 6.5. Okay, 6.5. Oh, sorry, I just banged the camera. 6.5, and one is a 7. $5. And this one is really cool. And this is bigger. Look at this one. Look at this. Look, has leaves on the side. Isn't that cool? That really looks real. I mean, the others do too, but this one really looks real. And it is a 7, 8. It's almost an 8. Oh, that's really neat. $5. $5, $5, $5. Okay. And that is the end of it. And thank you very much for being with me again. And I will see you in the next lot that I get, which is coming shortly. And it's a lot of copper, I think. So if you like that kind of thing, and other stuff too. So don't disqualify it if you don't like copper. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.